When you're looking at high net worth people, I think one of the interesting things in the next 12 months is how you position yourself. So I can see, obviously, in the budget, and it was announced before, if you've got more than 3 million in your super funds, you probably need to adjust it. Secondly, we think the economy is going to struggle in the next 6 months or so, and there will be opportunities come up as people have basically got themselves into trouble. You can broadly expect that the economy in the medium term will be better. We have rate cuts from the middle of next year. But if the economy is sort of going sideways, a lot of people are going to think it's a recession. And so there will be distressed assets out there. And so keep your liquidity up and look at that. And in the medium term, I think there's some good investing opportunities out there now. Look, I think we've all been surprised that the housing market seems to have turned around. I think there's an element of migration, that there's a lot more people looking for houses, particularly in units. And also what's really important is people are starting to think that the interest rates increases are finished. Now, you also need to be aware that auction numbers, the actual turnover, is down 25%. So if that suddenly people has to come back into the market, then it's not going to be straight line up. But we would say that roughly over the next 12 months, up 5%, maybe a little bit higher. But don't expect the old 20% increases per annum. That's not going to happen in this environment. I think foreign investors are going to increasingly look at Australia in a very positive light. Now, okay, we've got a problem for 6 months or 12 months in terms of interest rates. But if you get to, say, 2025, the economy will be growing again, 2% sort of thing. Unemployment will still be below 5%, and we'll be back in the Reserve Bank inflation target. That looks pretty good. From a long-term perspective, the Australian outlook is very encouraging.